is your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And welcome back, everyone. Well, I said heading into the commercial break that it was really gray today, especially in the Pikes Peak region, but not because of cloud cover. That would be nice. It would be good to get rain to mix out the smoke and the thick haze as well. But this is all because of wildfires burning in the western U.S., not just Colorado, folks. We are talking about smoke from California being transported east into Colorado this evening. Right now in the Springs, we are 92 after that hot high of 95, which did set a record. Right now in Pueblo, it's 101. Your high today was 103, which also bested the previous record by 3 degrees. So record-setting heat and still very hot as we make our way towards, or past the bottom of the hour, I should say. 99 apiece, Kit Carson to Eads, 102 Lamar, that's the hot spot. We have 92 in Canyon City, 78 Woodland Park, and 94 right now in the Mile High City. Now, other than the San Luis Valley, where we have some rain coming up towards the Sangres, everyone is seeing temperatures much warmer than this time yesterday. In fact, across the plains, some areas are about 8 to 10 degrees warmer than what we were seeing Friday evening. And you can see there is a little bit of moisture in the atmosphere, mostly across southwestern parts of the state. A little bit of rain maybe out towards the San Luis Valley. Most of it, though, accumulating here across the Sangres, where we have seen some cloud-to-ground lightning today. Of course, that's not good news given how dry things are and how that has sparked a number of fires here already this summer. The 4 major ones, the Cameron Peak, Williams Fork, Grizzly Creek, Pine Gulch, very little containment, as Andy mentioned. And you can see on the smoke outlook, this is the very latest of what these models are showing. You can see areas of moderate to thick smoke pretty much across all of Colorado. So high pressure pretty much parked over Arizona, bringing in this northeast flow smoke all the way into the northern Rockies and the central Rockies tonight. As we put this model into motion, I think some of it will disperse early this evening, so it might not be as thick heading into Sunday morning. But then the model thickens it back up again as we head towards the afternoon. And then it looks like by Monday into Tuesday, we start to see a little less smoke in the atmosphere. Still, though, not talking about a completely clear sky. So that ridge of high pressure for tonight does bring in areas of smoke, mild temperatures to southern Colorado. It's going to move a little bit closer to us on Sunday, so it will be hot and smoky with some isolated mountain thunderstorms possible. Lows tonight down to the low 60s in the Springs and Pueblo, and tomorrow we do it all over again with temperatures pretty much on par with what we saw today. Now, as for rain, as we look at the futurecast, I don't think we have enough moisture in the atmosphere to bring any widespread rain. Could see a few spotty showers coming off the central mountains, maybe an isolated storm up towards Teller County by late tomorrow afternoon. Your lows tonight down to 54 in Woodland Park. We'll see 60s outside this evening from Denver down to Pueblo in the Springs. And here we go again, another day of very hot temperatures as we make our way into the end of the weekend, and really no change over the next couple of days. Average high in the Springs in the low 80s. We are well above it all the way through at least Thursday, and then some changes potentially to this pattern heading towards late next week. Pueblo highs pretty close to 100 all the way through Tuesday. I think some moisture begins to move back in Wednesday into Thursday as we'll see some isolated storms by then. Canyon City, we get a chance of rain by Tuesday, but better chances for afternoon thunderstorms heading into the second half of the week. And for Woodland Park, haze and heat on Sunday. Storm chances picking up though, Andy, as we head towards the middle to end of next week.